2007 Jeep Commander. As you guys can see, what we got done on it's got high flow cats on it there and there. Then it winds into a single, and it had a Flowmaster 40 series on it. I don't know where he put, there it is right there, but it cracked real bad. So we took it off. He wanted it a little bit deeper, so we put him a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. Then ran out the tailpipe factory there, right there, right there, right there. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Jeep Commander. That is so deep. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. Again. Again. It hit 111, guys. That's crazy. Jeep Commander. It's got a nice idle to it too. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.